Welcome back to our channel. Today, immerse yourself in Hollywood's transformative realm as we uncover 20 renowned movie stars who've undergone astonishing changes from dramatic weight loss to unexpected makeovers. Witness these celebrities evolve into unrecognizable versions of their former selves. Join us on this captivating journey through their remarkable transformations. Without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing world of Hollywood's evolving faces. Stay tuned for the jaw dropping revelations ahead. Number 1. Russell Crowe, born on April 7, 1964, in Wellington, New Zealand, is an esteemed actor and film producer. Renowned for his versatile roles, he achieved global acclaim with Gladiator 2000, winning an Academy Award for his compelling portrayal of Maximus Decimus Meridius. From intense dramas like A Beautiful Mind 2001 to epic adventures like Master and Commander, The Far Side of the World, Crowe showcases remarkable versatility. With a career adorned by 3 BAFTA awards and a Golden Globe, the 59-year-old New Zealander's enduring impact on cinema is celebrated, solidifying his status as a distinguished figure in the entertainment industry. Number 2. Kurt Russell is a renowned American actor born on March 17, 1951 in Springfield, Massachusetts, with a career that began in the late 1950s as a child actor. Russell rose to prominence with roles in Disney films such as The Computer Wore Tennis Shoes 1969. Kurt Russell has become a respected figure in the entertainment industry, known for his versatility in various genres from action to comedy. His notable performances include iconic roles in films like Escape from New York 1981 and Big Trouble in Little China 1986. Russell's achievements in his career include a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame and critical acclaim for his roles in the films such as The Thing 1982 and Tombstone 1993. As of now, Kurt Russell is 72 years old and his enduring contributions to the film industry continue to captivate audiences worldwide. Number 3. Born on March 25, 1965 in Nelsonville, Ohio, Sarah Jessica Parker is an accomplished American actress and producer, rising to fame in the 1980s through TV series like Square Pex and Miami Vice. She reached iconic status as Carrie Bradshaw in HBO's Sex and the City, winning Emmy and Golden Globe Awards. Parker's versatility extends across film, theater, and television, with notable credits in Hocus Pocus, The First Wives Club, and The Family Stone. Co-founder of Pretty Matches Production, she continues to make significant contributions at 58, showcasing enduring talent and dedication. Number 4. Val Kilmer, born on December 31, 1959 in Los Angeles, California, is an American actor known for his diverse roles across film, theater, and television. He gained early recognition for his standout performance as Iceman in the blockbuster film Top Gun, propelling him to fame. Kilmer's career includes an array of notable roles in films such as The Deuce, Tombstone, and Batman Forever, where he portrayed the Caped Crusader. Over the years, Kilmer's career has seen highs and lows, but he has consistently delivered memorable performances. His achievements include critical acclaim for his portrayal of iconic characters, showcasing his acting prowess. Now, Val Kilmer is 64 years old. Despite health challenges, Kilmer's legacy endures as a talented actor who contributed significantly to the cinematic landscape, earning him a lasting place in the hearts of audiences worldwide. Number 5. Sharon Stone. Born on March 10, 1958 in Meadville, Pennsylvania, is a multifaceted American talent, a renowned actress, producer, and former fashion model. Her indelible mark on the entertainment landscape was etched through the globally acclaimed role of Catherine Trammell in The Basic Instinct, 1992. This iconic portrayal catapulted her to stardom, earning accolades for her performance. Stone's earlier ventures, including Total Recall and Casino, showcase her diverse acting prowess, earning her a Golden Globe and an Academy Award nomination. Beyond the silver screen, Stone has immersed herself in the humanitarian efforts, adding another layer to her impactful legacy. At 65, she continues to defy challenges, embodying resilience while contributing significantly to both cinema and philanthropy. Number 6. Whoopi Goldberg. Born Karen Elaine Johnson on November 30, 1955 in New York City, is an American actress, comedian, and television host. She rose to fame with her breakout role in Steven Spielberg's The Color Purple, 1985, earning her an Academy Award nomination. Known for her distinctive humor and versatility, Goldberg's career spans across film, television, and theater. Goldberg achieved the rare feat of winning an EGOT, Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, and Tony Award. Her portrayal of Oda Mae Brown in Ghost 1990 secured her an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress. She has been a co-host on the daytime talk show The View since 2007, showcasing her wit and insightful commentary. Currently, Whoopi Goldberg is 68 years old. Throughout her illustrious career, she has not only broken barriers as an African American woman in the entertainment industry but has also left an indelible mark through her talent and achievements. Number 7. Meg Ryan. Born Margaret Mary Emily Hira on November 19, 1961 in Fairfield, Connecticut, is an esteemed American actress and producer, rising to prominence in the late 1980s and early 90s. She captured hearts with iconic romantic comedies such as When Harry Met Sally, 1989, Sleepless in Seattle, 1993, and You've Got Mail, 1998. Her versatility shines through in a career blending both comedic and dramatic roles. Notably, she earned Golden Globe nominations for When Harry Met Sally and Sleepless in Seattle. At 62, Ryan's impact on romantic comedies endures, cementing her as a cherished luminary in the genre's history. Number 8. Shelley Duvall. Born on July 7, 1949 in Houston, Texas, is an American actress, producer, and author. She gained widespread recognition for her versatile performances in the 1970s, particularly in iconic films such as McCabe and Mrs. Miller. Duval's career showcased her ability to portray diverse characters, earning her critical acclaim. Her achievements include a BAFTA nomination for her role in The Shining and a Cannes Film Festival Best Actress Award for Three Women 1977. Now, Shelley Duvall is 74 years old. Despite a decrease in her on-screen appearances in recent years, she remains a respected figure in the film industry. Number 9. Born on April 25, 1969 in Katy, Texas, Renee Zellweger is an esteemed American actress and producer. While she gained initial recognition in Jerry Maguire 1996, her portrayal of Bridget Jones in Bridget Jones's Diary 2001 catapulted her to global fame. Zellweger's career is distinguished by her seamless transitions across genres, exemplified in films like Chicago 2002, earning her an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress, and Cold Mountain 2003, where she clinched the Best Actress Oscar, with 3 Academy Awards, 3 Golden Globes, and a BAFTA Award. Zellweger, now 54, remains an icon underscoring her enduring talent and esteemed status in Hollywood. Number 10. Vin Diesel, born Mark Sinclair on July 18, 1967 in Alameda County, California, is an American actor, producer, director, and screenwriter. Diesel gained initial recognition for his roles in films like Saving Private Ryan 1998 and Pitch Black 2000. However, it was his portrayal of Dominic Toretto in the Fast and Furious franchise that propelled him to international stardom, becoming a defining role for his career. Diesel's career is characterized by a mix of action-packed blockbusters, including the Fast and Furious series, Triple X, and the Riddick films. His achievements include establishing the production company One Race Films and contributing to the success of the Fast and Furious franchise, one of the highest grossing film series. Presently, Vin Diesel is 56 years old. His enduring popularity and contributions to the action genre solidify him as a prominent figure in Hollywood. Number 11. Born on March 24, 1970 in Davenport, Iowa, Laura Flynn Boyle is a celebrated American actress renowned for her versatile roles in film and television. She achieved widespread acclaim for her portrayal Donna Hayward in the iconic TV series Twin Peaks. Subsequently, Boyle's career soared with notable performances in films like Wayne's World 1992 and The Temp 1993. Her prowess garnered a Primetime Emmy nomination for The Practice and critical acclaim in various projects. Now 53, Boyle's enduring impact on the entertainment industry during the 90s and early 20s solidifies her legacy, showcasing a career marked by talent, diversity, and accolades. Number 12. Ray Dawn Chong, born on February 28, 1961 in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, is a Canadian-American actress, producer and writer. She initially gained prominence for her role in the film Quest for Fire 1981, which earned her critical acclaim. Chong's breakthrough into mainstream success came with roles in films like The Color Purple and Commando. Throughout her career, Chong has worked in a variety of genres, showcasing her versatility in both film and television. She has also ventured into producing and writing, contributing to the entertainment industry in multiple capacities. Currently, Rae Dawn Chong is 62 years old. Her career has spanned several decades, and she continues to be recognized for her contributions to cinema, leaving an indelible mark with her performance in the 1980s and maintaining a presence in the industry over the years. Number 13. Matthew Perry, born August 19, 1969 in Williamstown, Massachusetts, was a celebrated Canadian-American actor, comedian and writer. He achieved global recognition for his brilliant portrayal of Chandler Bing in the iconic sitcom Friends 1994 to 2004, where his witty and sarcastic character left an indelible mark. Perry's diverse career spanned television, film, and theatre, with notable projects like The Whole Nine Yards 2000 and Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip 2006 to 2007. Throughout, he garnered critical acclaim, earning a Primetime Emmy Award for Friends. Tragically, on October 28, 2023, at 54, Perry passed away. An auto spy revealed his death resulted from acute effects of ketamine, as reported by People in December. Number 14. Heather Locklear, born on September 25, 1961 in Los Angeles, California, is an American actress known for her prominent roles in television. She first gained widespread recognition for her portrayal of Sammy Jo Carrington in the popular soap opera Dynasty. Locklear's fame skyrocketed with her role as Amanda Woodward in the hit series Melrose Place 1993 to 1999, solidifying her status as a TV icon. Throughout her career, Locklear has demonstrated versatility with roles in various television shows including Spin City 1999 to 2002 and guest appearances in Two and a Half Men 2003 to 2015. She also had success in films like The Perfect Man 2005. Heather Locklear has received numerous award nominations for her performances, including Golden Globe nominations. Currently, she is 62 years old and her enduring contributions to the entertainment industry continue to be celebrated. Number 15. Ethan Suplee, born on May 25, 1976 in Manhattan, New York, is a versatile American actor renowned for his diverse contributions to film and television. Initially recognized as Seth Ryan in the teen drama series Boy Meets World, He achieved widespread acclaim for his compelling performances in Remember the Titans and American History X, showcasing his exceptional acting prowess. Transitioning from character roles to leading parts, Suplee has left an indelible mark on the industry, evident in standout projects like My Name is Earl 2005 to 2009 and The Wolf of Wall Street 2013. At 47, Sipley not only embodies ageless talent but also inspires with his remarkable physical transformation and advocacy for a healthy lifestyle, enriching his legacy beyond the screen. Number 16. Joe Pesci, born on February 9, 1943 in Newark, New Jersey, is an iconic American actor and musician. He first gained recognition with his supporting role in the crime film Goodfellas 1990, directed by Martin Scorsese, which earned him an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. Pesci's early career includes notable performances in films like Raging Bull 1980 and Once Upon a Time in America 1984. Known for his dynamic and often intense portrayals, Pesci's career has been marked by versatility, including comedic roles in films like Home Alone 1990 and its sequel. His achievements also include an Academy Award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role for My Cousin Vinny 1992. Presently, Joe Pesci is 80 years old. His impact on the film industry is enduring, and his memorable performances continue to be celebrated by audiences worldwide. Number 17. Tori Spelling, born on May 16, 1973 in Los Angeles, California, is an American actress, author, and television personality, rising to stardom as Donna Martin in the iconic TV series Beverly Hills 90210. She played a pivotal role in its cultural phenomena. Beyond acting, Spelling has diversified her impact, embracing reality TV, writing, and producing. With numerous authored books and appearances in shows like Tori and Dean in Love, her career spans both scripted and unscripted realms, solidifying her as a versatile force in entertainment. Now 50, Spelling's enduring presence reflects a dynamic journey that continues to influence television and popular culture. Number 18. Katie Sagal, born on January 19, 1954 in Los Angeles, California, is an American actress, singer, and writer. She first gained widespread recognition for her iconic role as Peggy Bundy in the long-running sitcom Married with Children. Sagal's comedic prowess and unique portrayal of the character contributed to the show's success. Throughout her career, Sagal has showcased her versatility with roles in both comedy and drama. She earned critical acclaim for her dramatic performance as Gamma Taylor Morrow in the motorcycle club drama Sons of Anarchy. In addition to her acting career, Katie Sagal is an accomplished singer, releasing several albums. Presently, she is 69 years old. Sagal's enduring success in both acting and music has solidified her as a respected and multi-talented figure in the entertainment industry. Number 19. Born on March 4, 1954 in Toronto, Canada, Catherine O'Hara is a revered actress, comedian and writer, rising to fame on SCTV 1976 to 1984. Her comedic brilliance shone through versatile performances, collaborating with Tim Burton in Beetlejuice 1988 and The Nightmare Before Christmas 1993 catapulted her to stardom. Balancing comedy and drama, O'Hara's career is a testament to her talent, earning acclaim notably as Moira Rose in Schitt's Creek, garnering multiple awards, including an Emmy. At 69, O'Hara's enduring influence on the entertainment industry is evident, with a remarkable career and a legacy that spans genres, capturing the hearts of audiences worldwide. Number 20. Eugene Levy, born on December 17, 1946 in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, is a highly regarded Canadian actor, comedian, writer, and director. He first gained recognition as a cast member on the sketch comedy show SCTV 1976 to 1984, where his comedic talent shone. Levy's fame reached new heights with his collaboration with Christopher Guest in mockumentary films like Waiting for Guffman 1996 and Best in Show 2000, showcasing his improvisational skills. Levy is widely celebrated for his role as Johnny Rose in the critically acclaimed television series Schitt's Creek 2015 to 2020, a role that earned him several awards including an Emmy. Presently, Eugene Levy is 77 years old. Throughout his career, Levy has consistently delivered outstanding performances, earning him respect and accolades, making him a beloved figure in both the Canadian and international entertainment scenes. Thanks for joining us on this captivating exploration of movie stars' remarkable transformations. If you found this video engaging, remember to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for regular updates. Share your thoughts on the most surprising transformation in the comments below. Until our next video, stay tuned for more fascinating content. See you soon.